Hey guys, and welcome back to another Caspa video. I hope you're doing great. We had some rough couple of days. It was pretty red, as you probably have seen. A lot of panic selling over the market in general, but of course also for Caspa. And that is not what you want to do. You don't want to panic sell. You want to buy. When there is blood in the streets, then you buy Caspa. So that is an important thing. So do the opposite of the 99% of the people, and then you win. And besides that, it is important to have a strategy to win and not to not lose. That is a really big difference. So I personally, I'm in it to win it, and I'm not in it to not lose. That is a big difference. So remember that. So let's do an update for the market and cash. I personally think we're not really cleared yet. There is some possibly some more downside price action coming, but let's see what's going to happen. So currently we're sitting at around $2.8 billion market cap for Caspa at spot 42. So in general, we have a lot of upside coming in the long term, in the coming months, I mean. So we had a big sell-off yesterday again. We are down from the all-time high. Let's take the candle close to the candle close yesterday, over 35%. So that is a big drop. I think that is a significant drop. So if we take a look at the last drop, we went down to, let's see, what is the around here. It was around 32%. So, you know, I think we have enough correction behind us. So there is a possibility that we will go up from here if Bitcoin is not selling off, of course. That is really important. The RSI is cleared. It's really low. Everything is in the green to fly if Bitcoin is flying as well. So if you take a look at the chart, I think the most important thing right now is that we're going to flip this line into a support level around 12.2.3 cents. As you can see today, the candle is above this area, but it is important that we will close this candle above this area. So if we close this candle above this support level, I could see a continuation going, maybe a retest of this support level, and if we hold it, we made a reversal because we're still in a downtrend. We still didn't seen a reversal, so we're not in an uptrend yet. So I'm waiting for that confirmation. So let's see what's going to happen. But the most important step for right now, step number one would be, in my opinion, is to clear this area and flip this into a support. If the candle is closing below this level, then it is still a resistance, and we will see more downward price movement, in my opinion. And the next level is around 11 cents by then. If we take a look at the rainbow chart, I'm really a fan of this chart. I think if you do research on this, it's really interesting. As you can see, so the rainbow chart is based on the power law for cash, and as you know, Bitcoin is also following a power law. So as you can see, we broke this trend line over here, and in the history around October 23, we broke it as well, and as you can see, we tested it, the blue line, trend line below it. So there is a possibility that we're going to test this trend line. So if you can visualize it, it will run like this. So that would be around 10 to 11 cents. So there is a possibility that we will test that area, and in my opinion, what I just told you, it is important that, let me put this off, that we flip this into a support for right now. So that's what I'm looking for. If we take a look at Bitcoin, you can see we bounced off from the around 60K level with a nice wick today. I think this is an important support level around 62K. So let's see if we can flip this into a support. If so, we're going to probably retest this area again before we go back up and test other levels. So yeah, let's find out what's going to happen. Of course, there is some sell pressures from the ETF, Bitcoin ETFs. So it's not only retail who are selling. And of course, we had a really big run up. So it is normal that we see some corrections. Some people are speculating that this actually is the top for this cycle. Triple top, really nice. Is that the case? I don't know. Nobody knows. Is it a possibility? Yes, it is a possibility, of course. I personally think the probability is really low, but there is a chance that this is actually the market cycle top. If you take a look at fundamentals, it wouldn't be any logical at all. But you know, crypto isn't always logical. So I expect some more correction in the future. We are looking at the weekly right now. I can see, yeah, it would be logical to see some sideways action for Bitcoin, in my opinion. But sideways action is also good to see a nice altcoin run. So nothing wrong with that, but we don't want to see a big sell-off. So that's what I'm looking for. So for today, we have a really nice green day. But as you know, it means really nothing. We need to close above this support level. Basically, it's still a resistance level right now. We need to flip this, and then we can see tomorrow what we can expect further. But this is the first step. So again, guys, if you're not really pleased with your Caspa back yet, then please buy some Cas. This is a great buy zone, in my opinion. Yes, maybe there is some more downside to it, but not that much. If you believe this is going to 8 cents or 5 cents, I think you're delusional. You couldn't bet on that. If you want to win, you DCA and you start buying right now. In it to win it, and not in it to not lose it. So remember that, think of that, and another important thing, I really love this red days the last couple of days, because I personally was getting lazy because we had way too much green. Not especially for Cas, of course, we had a big correction for Caspa, but in general. And I need a trigger to work harder. I think that's important. So I was thinking, okay, we are seeing some nice chances to accumulate more of your favorite cryptos. Okay, just level up, make money, buy, think about good strategies. So I really like that. So again, I'm in it to win it, and I'm going to the next level. So if you have any questions about this, comment down in the comment section below, and I really appreciate if you want to give a like to this video. If you want to become part of our family into the Discord, the Patreon, and you are a serious crypto investor who is aspiring to win and not to not lose, then I'm inviting you to join the VIP. You can find the link below in the comment section and in the description. So I see you inside if you are curious and interested about that. So, all right, guys, I wish you a really good day, and take care, and we talk soon. Crypto T out.